Alrighty, welcome to today's lesson. So on today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you second way you can trim your picture. Okay, I just want to start from beginning to make you understand how to start your program. So I'll click on new, then click on print to choose my paper size. Okay, I'll just click on A4 and click on create. So I'm going to bring my image. I'll click on it and drag it here. All right, I'll hit on enter. Okay, I'll press shift on my keyboard and then click on this edge here and drag it in. Then hit enter on my keyboard, then position it. Okay, then I'm going to be clicking Ctrl plus on my keyboard to zoom in. All right, so the second way, let me just explain something to you. This background, you can see that it is distinct. Okay, the color of the background is just different from the banana color, which is yellow. So you can easily use your magic wand tool. Okay, so I'll just click on the magic the background. You can see it has highlighted it. So I will right click on feather, type in one is already there. I'll click on OK. So make sure that your banana here is highlighted on your layer panel. So I'll just click on delete on my keyboard. It has bring out the same message. It says could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. So you come here and click on rasterize layer, then click on delete. You can see it has deleted. Okay, so I'm going to Ctrl Z back, Ctrl Z. Okay, and I'm going to be clicking Ctrl D to remove the highlights. All right, so the second way of trimming your picture, let me click highlight on the banana face. Okay, the second way of trimming your picture, this one you use this to trim pictures that have similar color. Okay, similar color of the background to your image. Maybe as I have yellow here on the banana, maybe I still have yellow, this background will be yellow. So it will be very difficult for me to use this magic wand tool to select the background, okay, from the image. So that is why you make use of this tool. What is it called? Polygonal lasso tool. All right, so to use this, you have to zoom in for you to see every trace of it, so that you will not have to make mistake while trimming it. So you just click on right close to your image, okay, and just continue clicking around it, make sure you don't click on the blue background. Okay, continue clicking around it, you take it closer. Okay, like if you put it here, you can see that you cut off this other part of the image, so that is why you have to take it close. Okay, take it close, just trim around it like this. Okay, like this. I will click and release my hand. That is what I'm doing. I'm not dragging it. So just click like this, like this. Like, let me click on Control plus on my keyboard to see clearly. You can see I have cut into the picture, so I will press backspace on my keyboard to take it back. Okay, all right. I just want to be fast now. If you are doing your own, make sure you take your time to trim it so that it will be very neat. I just want to be fast. I just want to be fast here. I just want to be fast here. Okay, make sure you take your time to do your trimming neatly. Like I said, don't allow your trimming tool, or don't trim the blue background, because we are trying to get rid of the blue background. So make sure you trim on the yellow background, okay, provided it is neat. Even if you cut some parts, provided you have a perfect cut. You have a perfect cut. I'm just moving my cursor to this side. I'm not clicking in order to give me access to the other part of the objects. Okay, just click around. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay, you can see I've made a mistake. I'm going to click on backspace on my keyboard. Okay, click. Okay, this is my start point, so I'm going to end it here. You can see. All right, I'm going to zoom out, Control minus on my keyboard. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is to do what? Right click and click on feather. Click OK. So you can see the image is highlighted. Okay, if I click on delete now, I'm going to delete the image instead of the background. Just watch. Click on delete. I've deleted the image, so that is not what I'm supposed to do. So for me not to delete the image, I will right click again. I'll click on select inverse. All right, that means I'm selecting the background, so I'll click on delete. The background is off. Then I'll click on Ctrl D on my keyboard here. So to change the background color, I'll come here and click on this and to change the entire background color. So you can see my background is on top of my image. So what do? Just click and take it under the banana. You can see. Then to change this background again, I'll double click, okay, and then change the background. You can see that my image is even perfectly cut, even though I was not that careful. Perfectly cut. So to change the background, just double click on this color here and you change it to your preferred color. Yeah, that is basically how to use the second tool, which is polygonal lasso tool, for trimming your picture. Okay, so you can use this to trim your picture. You can use magic wand to trim your picture. It all depends on the kind of picture that you want to trim. And as well, you can use this pen tool to trim your picture. All right, so I'm not going to be going into pen tool on this lesson. Okay, that should be assignment for you. Have to practice, go and do a research on how to use that to trim. But with these two tools that I've taught you is enough for you to do any kind of trimming that you want to do on Photoshop. So this is the end of this lesson.